Hi everyone, this is Deb. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am here for hashtag Mandala Mondays 25, I think it is. The correct hashtag will be in the title, as well as the host and co-host for this collab. I'm not going to name them just because I don't want to get it wrong, and I know it'll be in the title. And their names are Dawn and Pat, but yeah, you get that. So anyway, I have had this one page flagged in here for a little while. It's not the deer one that I was supposed to do in December and never got to, or November, I forget. However, Dawn, her channel name is M Beans Color with Me. The host, the main host, she designates a color every month, and for January it's gray. And I found a page in here. I did not use all gray, but I did use gray. So let me, oh, see, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I don't know if the one I did had, that almost looks like watercolor, had a sample or not, but I decided I wanted to do this elephant. Now, I don't know if this is a finished page or a work in progress because I'm debating whether or not to use alcohol markers to color the background, but I'm kind of leaning towards not because I kind of like it the way it is, and also because the way this is done is, from like the tree bases up would be sky, but then what do I do with the bottom part? I can't have the elephant walking in air. So I think I'm going to just leave it. I used pretty vibrant colors. I used all Polychromos colored pencils from Faber-Castell. And I really like how it turned out, even without um, doing the background. What do you think? Should I do the background or shouldn't I? And what would you do for, and by background, I mean the part within the mandala circle. I mean, this part is all vine, and the elephant should be walking in dirt or something. But I really don't want to put brown on there anymore. So that's why yeah, so one option is just do all of it dark blue, and I'm thinking of using Stampin' Up's Dark Starry Sky. And the other option is leave it like it is. What would you do? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you think. This is out, I wrote all the colors I use. This was my test sheet. So if anybody's interested, I have them. And I do that because then if I want to go back and fix something and I put the pencils away, I know what it is. And most things on here have at least two colors. The elephant has all cool gray, but three different shades of cool gray. His tufts are just ivory. I use so many different colors in here. I'm not going to name them all, but he has three colors. Some of the flowers also have three colors, I believe, like three different shades of purple and pink. I had to bring a blue in. Originally, though, I wasn't going to make that one be blue, and then I kind of messed up by putting more of the orange yellows. I was going to have orange and yellow down from each other, but it's okay. I actually love that turquoise flower. um, the The trees are a different green than this, which is two shades of green. It's like a leaf green is actually the name of one of them, and the other one is like a almost like a teal um, for the shading. I think I did pretty good. Let me know. I'm practicing. And the flowers, I was happy with the spiky flowers, and especially. And yeah. So anyway, I like it. Let me know if you do. I'll stop rambling, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or evening, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.